Well, that's not good. That's not a good sign. Looks like there's a beehive in the ceiling. Um, Might have to call somebody to get them out. Don't want anybody to get stung up. Shit, I don't want to get stung up. I'm glad I'm in this screened-in porch. Yeah, that's not good. They're honeybees. I can see that they're honeybees. I don't know. Camera's gonna focus on the dang screen instead of them. There is a whole bunch of them pouring in and out. I'm glad I noticed it before I opened the door. I wonder how long it's been there. Whew. Glad I didn't. Yep, we're gonna have to call somebody.